Button.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Hopefully this actually works out. I am now routed through a speaker, so let's see how this rolls, because my speech last time was not routed.
Software update. General. iPadOS 14. Apple Inc. 3.98 gigabytes. Dimmed.
So that's what it is on this iPad Pro 3rd generation. In this video, I'm going to show what's new on this update. And yeah, go through most of the stuff is on iOS, so this video will be a little bit shorter than my iOS 14 video, which I will leave a link to that one in the description down below. So you can go check it out in the description. I also want to start out, as of this recording, I am about 2 subs away from 200, so appreciate everyone for all the support over the last month, with all the last 2 or 3 months, the last several months, like almost 4 or 5 months with these beta updates. And I'll still be running betas on the iPad mini 4 and the iPhone 7. I just won't be on my primary iPad or my primary iPhone. So anyways, as of that, let's get on with the video. Now let's go
Learn more.
Learn
Button.
more.
New app toolbar. Bullet. App. Bullet. List start. iPadOS 14 introduces redesigned apps, new Apple Pencil features, and other improvements.
All right. Interesting.
Redesign experience.
Redesign experience.
Bullet. List start. Small, medium, and large widget sizes allow you to pick the amount of information to display.
And this is the same on iOS.
Bullet. Widget stacks make the most of your home screen space, and the Smart Stack uses on-device intelligence to surface the right widget at the right time.
Now you cannot, however, put widgets on your actual home screen with where the apps are sitting on the iPads. Don't know why. That would actually be nice. It would make more sense on the iPad than the iPhone, but whatever. It is what it is. Apple does what they want to do.
Bullet. App sidebars have a new look that deliver more of the app's functionality in the main window.
Yeah. A feature sliding over from macOS.
New app toolbars, popovers, and pull-down menus make it easier to get to all of the controls for an app. List
I've
end.
been messing with this since the beginning of the betas, and it's been pretty good.
Compact design. Bullet. List start. Siri has a compact design that allows you to refer to information on screen and seamlessly launch into your next task.
Now, in the last recording, I tried to send an audio message to a friend of mine, and, well, that backfired, so I'm not going to do it. But you can also send audio messages with Siri.
Compact search has a simpler design that works on the home screen or over any app. Bullet. Incoming phone and FaceTime calls appear as a banner at the top of the screen. List search. Bullet. List. One place where you can find. Bullet. Top hit results show the most relevant.
So these same search things are about the same on iOS as they are on iPadOS.
Bullet. Quick Launcher allows you to launch an app or website by typing a few characters.
I like the Quick Launcher. That actually is cool. Now, Spotlight Search and iPadOS 13, apparently it was called Universal Search, or supposedly, but VoiceOver still calls it Spotlight Search, so I'm going to refer to it as Spotlight Search.
Bullet. As you type, search suggestions show more relevant results as soon as you start typing.
All right.
Bullet. Web search suggestions to launch Safari and get the most relevant web results. Bullet. Start a search in apps like Mail, Messages, and Files. List end.
Okay, that's nice.
Bullet. List scribble.
Scribble.
Bullet. Write in any text field with Apple Pencil and your writing automatically converts to typed text. Bullet. Scratch to delete a word or space. Bullet. Circle a word to select it for editing. Bullet. Press and hold between words to add space for additional writing. Bullet. Shortcut palette offers commonly used actions for the app you are using. Bullet. English, simplified Chinese and traditional Chinese are supported, as well as mixed Chinese and English. List end.
Okay, so that scribble with the iPad with the Apple Pencil. So the iPad 4th gen, or the iPad Air 4th gen, will be able to support Apple Pencil 2 because it's got the USB-C port. So you won't have the meme Apple Pencil 1st gen.
Note taking. Bullet. Note taking with Apple Pencil.
Okay.
Bullet. Smart selection makes it easy to select text, distinguishing handwriting from drawings. Bullet. Copy and paste as text converts your handwritten notes into typed text for use in other documents.
Okay, so either there's a noting problem because Nikki did this, converting. Yeah, something's wrong there.
Bullet. Mixspace is a new gesture to create more room for handwritten notes.
All right.
Bullet. Data detectors allow you to take action on phone numbers, email addresses, and other handwritten information.
Okay, that's cool.
Shape recognition enables drawing perfect lines, arcs, and other shapes. List end.
Yeah, I like that to a degree. Especially, I mean, it depends what I'm doing. And sometimes I actually don't like it.
Siri. Bullet. List. Siri.
All right, here is Siri. I jumped the gun about the stuff.
Bullet. An all-new compact design surfaces results in the bottom right corner of the screen in a new layout. Bullet. Expanded knowledge brings 20 times more facts than 3 years ago. Bullet. Web answers help find answers to a broader set of questions using information from across the internet. Bullet. Audio messages can be sent with Siri on iOS and CarPlay. Bullet. Expanded language support for the new Siri voice and Siri translation. List. Messages.
Now, okay, first up, I'm going to address a few things. In my last video, I also briefly talked about it. Some people are saying that they were having glitches where their Siri is showing full display, like iPadOS 13. Shouldn't, but if it is, then I forgot what access. There's an accessibility. Oh, type response with Siri, the typing response where you just type into Siri. Somehow it's taking up the full screen. Now, first off, I like the compact UI. It's very nice, like here.
Mentioned let you direct a message. Expanded language support for the new Siri voice.
Okay, and that was very loud. So there we go. There we go. Nice compact UI. Sensor. It probably you'll probably do not hear me for a brief moment of time, but yeah, I trying to show you all the compact UI and sending audio messages is really nice, and all the other fun stuff with Siri.
Messages.
Now here we go. Messages. I like this.
Bullet. List. Pinned conversations. Keep up to 9 of your favorite message threads at the top of the list.
Yeah, I like that. And since Apple brought that, I've been considering leaving Skype because of this.
Bullet. Mentioned let you direct a message to an individual in a group conversation.
And this.
Bullet. Inline replies let you reply to a specific message and see all related messages in their own view.
Been waiting for that.
Bullet.
Other apps have had that feature for a long time.
Group photos can be customized for a shared group look. List end.
Ah, cool.
Memoji.
And then they talk about Memoji. Go
Bullet.
past all the.
Bullet. Maps. Face coverage. Maps.
Then Maps. Same stuff I covered in iOS.
Bullet. Bullet. Congestion zone. Electric. Speed cameras let you read home.
Then about the home.
Bullet. Dynamic suggest. Face tracking. Bullet. Adaptive lighting. Browser.
And then here's browser, aka Safari. I have it nicknamed as browser here with voiceover. So, yeah. A little funny joke I did back in like iOS 12.4 point whatever, 13.0, and been too lazy to change it back.
Bullet. List improved performance with an even faster JavaScript engine. Bullet. A privacy report shows cross-site trackers that are being blocked by intelligent tracking prevention. Bullet. Password monitoring securely screens your saved passwords for any that may have been involved in a data breach. Bullet. Web page translation. Beta translates entire web pages in English, Spanish, simplified Chinese, French, German, Russian, or Brazilian Portuguese. Listen.
So essentially, the same stuff as iOS is over here on iPadOS for Safari.
AirPod. Bullet. Space. Bullet. Battery. Bullet. Duct tape. Bullet. Bullet. Augmented reality. Battery note. Augmented reality.
Augmented reality.
Bullet. Duct API provides more precise distance measurements captured. Face. Bullet. Locate. Bullet. Face. Bullet. Video. App. Bullet. An app clip is a small part of an bullet. App clips.
So essentially, the rest of this is like iOS notes along with the iPadOS notes. The main stuff was the Apple Pencil stuff. So iPadOS this year is an S year, but I would upgrade. I mean, iPadOS 14 was, well, not 14. 13 was rough. iPadOS 14 betas ran pretty okay, but Beta 8 was excellent, and Beta 8 is literally like the GM copy, aka the same copy as y'all are getting as public release as of 4 o'clock p.m. Eastern today, which this video will be coming out tomorrow. I'm pre-recording. So, yeah. Hi to the future, everyone. Anyways, so simply, this is iPadOS 14 on my iPad Pro. It came in at 3.98 gigabytes. The iPad Mini 5, if you have a Mini 5, it will be coming in a little bit smaller if you go from iPadOS 13.7. So anyways, like I said, go ahead and install if you want to. If you want to wait for my follow-up video, it should be coming out either Saturday through Wednesday of next week. And also on top of that, my I'll leave a link to the iOS 14 what's new video, and in case you missed it. And so yeah, check the description. There's a good link in there. And yeah, thank y'all so much for almost 200 subs. I have a feeling we're gonna hit it within the next day or two, if not within the next week. I appreciate the support, and the next road after 200 subs is, I'm not going in baby steps. Well, I want to shoot for 500 subs, and then the next road after that 1,000, and then after that we'll shoot for 6,000, and then after that keep on. But the sub counts don't mean that much. My channel is now on its way to almost 60,000 total views. Appreciate the support of all the betas, and I will also be making a video that will come out not this weekend but next weekend on my thoughts about iOS 13 betas versus iOS 14 betas and how they ran and stuff like that. And I got a good report coming, so I'll be working on that through the week, and we'll go from there. So anyways, peace.